Best 10 tricks to fix slow charging problem in Android mobile phone. Is your Android phone charging too slowly? Takes hours to reach 100%? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 10 simple tricks to fix slow charging problems and speed up your phone's charging. Starting right now. Number 1. Use original charger and cable. Always use the original charger and USB cable that came with your phone. Cheap or duplicate chargers supply less power and can damage your battery. Number 2. Clean your charging port. Dust and lint inside the charging port can block proper contact. Use a soft brush or toothpick to clean the port gently. No water, no metal tools. Number 3. Don't use the phone while charging. Playing games or watching YouTube while charging will slow down the process. Let the phone charge undisturbed for faster results. Number 4. Turn on airplane mode. Enabling airplane mode stops background network activity like calls, data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This reduces power usage and speeds up charging. Number 5. Close background apps. Many apps keep running in the background, draining power even while charging. Clear all background apps before plugging in your phone. Number 6. Enable fast charging if available. Some Android phones have a fast charging option that might be turned off. Go to Settings, Battery, More Settings, and turn on fast charging. Number 7. Avoid charging from laptop or PC. USB ports on laptops supply much less power than wall chargers. Always charge your phone directly from a power socket using a wall adapter. Number 8. Check for software updates. Outdated software may affect charging speed. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and install any pending updates. Number 9. Remove the phone case. Phone cases can trap heat during charging. Overheating slows down charging. Remove the case to keep your phone cool. Number 10. Check battery health. If your phone is still charging slowly after all this, the battery might be weak. Use apps like AccuBattery to check health. If it's below 70%, consider replacing it. Bonus tip: avoid charging your phone in hot environments or under sunlight. Heat reduces charging speed and harms battery life. Thanks for watching. If this video helped fix your charging issue, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more mobile phone tips and tricks. Got another phone problem? Drop it in the comments. I'll cover it in the next video.